Hey everyone. Today I'll show you how to remotely access any PC or laptop at home using its IP address. First, let's access the system settings. Right-click on My Computer, then select Properties. Click on Remote Access Settings, then allow remote access to this computer and hit Apply. Next, open the command prompt and type ipconfig. Press Enter. There, you'll need this IPv4 address. Copy it. The person connecting to your PC should launch Remote Desktop, enter your email, and click Connect. If they can't connect, you'll need to disable the firewall. Search for Windows Defender Firewall and choose to disable it. Do it like this. Click OK and try again. That's it. This was Name. Like and subscribe. See you later.